So we're all ready to put back the bearing caps on the crankshaft. The bearing caps are actually in place. Now we have these bolts, 16 of them. They are for this particular model here, mine's a 2000. All these bolts are the same size. I had by mistake bought 8 of one size and 8 shorter ones, but it turns out that for my model year all of them are the same size, so I have to order 8 more. These are expensive single-use bolts. I got one set of 8 for some $8, the other set of 8 for 5 something, so they're not cheap. At any rate, there is a particular tightening sequence to them, and they're supposed to be torqued to 30 Newton meters once, and then 60 later, and then hand tightened beyond that, so they're over torqued, so that that's apparently standard practice for these stretch bolts. You over torque them. Here we go.